Hi, hello everyone. I'm going to explain the task 3, that is exploratory data analysis on retail. First of all, we want to define our problem statement. Our problem statement is to visualize the retail business and predict the below queries. Now we can see what all the queries means. First of all, we want to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit. And the second thing, we want to find business problems that you can derive by exploring the data. So we can see the sales and profits by category wise. So here we are seeing the western parts of USA, and here the three categories, I mean technology, furniture and office supplies. With respect to that, we can see here how many sales and profits are occurred. So first of all, we're going to see about in technology, the sales are 8,36,154, but comparatively the quantity is less compared to other category. We can see the profit by state according to the category. So for more places in USA, the technologies get more profit compared to other two categories. So next we can see the furniture. So these are the places that we can get a more profit in furniture category, but comparatively the quantity is uh, high compared to technology and office supplies. So we can understand one thing, quantity of for office supplies the quantity is more, but we can get less profit in among US states. The next we are going to see sales and profit by regional wise. So in western part of USA only the sales are increased and profits also increased. The other parts of USA is getting decreased. So as we can see here, so the blue represents the western part of USA, western region, and the dark blue represents the eastern region, and the orange color represents the office supplies in the central region, and here the violet represents the southern parts of the USA. So as we can see here, the blue color represents the west part of USA. This is the office supplies. The quantity is 7235, 19.1% quantity. Here for furniture it's showing like this, and for technology 2335. So we can see here only office supplies the quantity is more, but we can get the as well as the same profit is decreased in western region as we show before in category wise. So then this is the visualization for sales and profit in region wise. So the next we can see the sales and profit by segment wise. Segment means we are going to see about subcategories, I mean accessories like this, as I shown here: accessories, appliances, art, binders, bookcases, chairs, and like this, so on. So we can see now for office supply, yeah, for in office supply the subcategory binders is is uh, is getting more sale, and the profits also increased. And by decreasing the discount, so we can sell in corporate also. We can increase the discount, and we can sell in consumer side also. So it will decrease like this. This is for binders. So the next we are going to see the accessories that won't get sold in a home office, and comparatively in other subcategories. So at last I am going to show about the storyboard. As I shown before, the two two conclusions, right? I want to predict this problem statement, so I wrote here results. I'm getting those results from the visualization. I'm giving some business problems also. In USA, the western part is interested to buy anything from Superstore. Only parts of USA Superstore data are collected here. Yeah, as I get, as the data are getting from only the parts of USA only, not from other country. The second thing, we can get the business problem like only binders and accessories getting sold and profit is gained. Discount is given more in binder category than accessories. Category wise, around all parts of USA, technology is getting sold as I shown here and in category section, and technology is getting sold easily and more profit than other two categories. More demand in manufacturing of technology. Yes, as I shown here. Yeah, quantity is less, but sales are high. So the manufacturing will be in a demand. So we want to overcome that problem. Sales of furniture things can be improved. Yeah, as I showing here, the furniture supplies can be increased. In region we can see those. Yeah, furnishing, I mean green color. Yeah, see, according to this, it doesn't gain more profit, so we can improve this furniture category. Then the next thing, I want to tell the weak areas that should be improved. Excluding USA western region, all other regions are weak in retail business. In those other regions are weak, so we can make awareness program there to make more profit. So we can give more affordable discounts also, so that we can so that we can increase in sales, and with respect to that we can gain more profit also. So thank you.